Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make does respond. Okay, let's open up Media Photo Pro. Alright, let's do the Media Photo Pro first. And let it stop. Let's wait. Alright. Now encoding video. And then open up music speed changer. And then press Samsung logo Bose one. Then press 3 dots. And then press share track. And then press files by Google. And then let's go to Spring. Alright, let's open up Spring. Actually, let's go to Power Director. Power Director. Okay. Let's do 3. Let's restart this. Then press new project. And then press the 1. Then press next. And then press audio. And then press music. For now, I went to voice change. Let's press this extract. And then press the pause and play button. Oops. And then we tap export. And then press done. Alright, now let's go back to Media Photo Pro. And now we're all done. And then we go to YouTube. And then press add video. And then press manage. Press select more media. And then press the 1. And then press next. And then create a title that I'm gonna put it is and then press upload. And then press which one is made for kids. You can press yes it is, or you can press no it's not. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.